Hey folks, here I am at the boat warehouse. We're in the back today on Bath Road in Kingston at the world's largest Four Winds Lowe and Glastron dealer. Everybody's working hard, getting all these boats ready to hit the water. And Mr. Jake Mayhew.
Hey Rob.
Hey, what's going on, fella? He's cracking open. What am I getting on?
So this is a 210 walkthrough. So same as our Kingston Special that Jackson did a walkthrough on before. Same platform, just a different layout on the inside.
Awesome. I love the color of the canvas too. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, so gray canvas, two-tone with powder-coated rails, so a little bit different. Just try and change it up a bit.
Yeah, sure.
But, come on in.
All right, in we go. I bet you it's warm in here. It's a beautiful day. I love this floor. What is the term you use for this again?
So this is a deluxe vinyl.
Oh, deluxe vinyl. It's cool. It looks like it's something. Oh, it's got a little cushion to it.
Yeah, it's spongy.
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 Spongy. Ooh, it's dark in here. Oh, I'm getting scared. Woo! Holy, it's like a sauna in here. Actually, it's picking up pretty good. I wasn't sure if it'd be too dark.
The gray canvas gives you a lot more light in here, even if you've got the privacy curtains closed. So that's a nice feature of the gray.
Actually, that's a good point. I've never realized that. With the other one was black. It was pretty dark in there.
It is dark, yeah. It's almost complete darkness in there. But we'll open this guy up just for some light.
Full camper. Double bimini zips together to make a full camper, so you can run it with just the biminis if you want, just one bimini if you want.
Yeah, you can run single bimini if you like. Very similar to the Kingston Special walkthrough that we did.
Yeah, so folks, if you're interested in seeing the other model, that's the other Kingston Special. You can find that as well. And oh, Velcro, nice touch, no snaps to worry about. You can make them a little adjustable. And this is nice, so it doesn't just zip straight in the middle, it zips on both sides, so you can actually have an opening there, let some air flow through, but still have a lot of protection. I noticed that on a camper I was on not long ago, that they had the front open, let the air pass through, but the passengers are sitting here and they weren't getting a bunch of wind in the hair type thing. It was a little cool that night. It was just about perfect. So this floor plan compared to the Kingston Special,
so up front, if you look up here, it's the same thing.
Okay.
Now the only difference being you have a little bit more of a chaise lounge up here.
Right.
On this side.
Okay.
But in front of the dash, same thing. It's the same platform, same deck space, same tunes, same everything. It's just the layout back here really that changes. So now instead of having your U-shaped seating,
right,
or your sort of L-shaped seating, now you've got two captain's chairs.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Which is kind of nice. So if you're going down the lake, you can have two people sitting side by side, so one person is excluded. Makes
sense.
And then you've got the rear walkthrough. So let's move some of this canvas here. That's your tunnel cover.
Okay, that's your marine outfit. This is great. I really like this layout. This is great. I mean, it's a preference thing. Not everybody wants this. They like the Kingston Special better, or the other. What's the other design? It's the Kingston Special, but this is the walkthrough, right?
This is a walkthrough model,
right? And you've got now. This is your in comparison to the other one, where it's like a pop-up change at the back.
So your change room would have been here on the regular Kingston Special. If you see that video, that would fold up here. Now you've got it behind this back bench.
Isn't that neat? Okay.
This folds up, and now it will fold again as well.
Of course, and then drops down, and there you go. Well, there you go. I'd never actually seen one of these up close, although I'd heard about them. That is a great idea. And so that's stored in there. This is all storage in here.
Every seat will still lift up just like in the Kingston Special. Every seat lifts up for storage.
Isn't that cool?
And they're all rotocast seats, which is nice. They're not wood. They're not going to rot on you.
No, and they have drainage. It goes right through, so the water passes by the cushions. It goes out the bottom. Beauty. Built-in cup holders, really nice. And the helm is good. I know that when you order these rigs, of course, you're usually ordering with some sort of a depth finder.
Yep, so there's still fish finder on there, giving you depth, water temperature. It's not, we haven't put it on yet, but it is there. The mount is there. The wiring is there.
Nice big helm. I love this. I'm gonna have a seat here. Oh, I could do this all day. This is a beaut, and it's just comfortable. Now, this is the one thing I've noticed in the past few years too. Nice flat spaces on the console. I mean, today's day and age, electronics galore. They're plugging everything in. The kids are plugging everything in. You charge my phone, and now you got a place to put everything, and it isn't sliding off. And I see even drains in here, so if it gets, if you're out in the rain or it gets a little wet, it's going to go right through the bottom. Tilt steering on this bad boy?
Yes.
Sure does. There's your school bus model. For those that like to drive school bus, you can have it up all the way. That's a beaut. And the radios, I mean, the old days, the old double knobbers are gone.
That's right.
Now it's all USB and Bluetooth and all the good stuff that everybody's going to be asking for. This is a sweet setup. Little windshield, just enough to make it sexy and look cute, and does the job too. Keep the wind out of your face. Big gauges. Big ones, I can see that.
Gauges, yeah, so that's a change for 18. The gauges have changed a little bit. Just chrome in the background.
I like it. I like it with the red needles.
Yeah.
Nice little style touch.
Coming back, like this is your main difference between the two. Obviously, you do
Of
have
course.
a double captain chair, but really this is the big difference in the boat is back here. So you
For
do have
sure.
a little bit more floor space.
And of course, on the other boat, it would be off to the left where you exit the boat to the rear deck.
That's right.
This one's in the center.
Yeah, so that's why it's called a walk-through model.
Okay, that's where the turn comes from because it goes straight on in.
Yeah, a little bit different. It's a smaller footprint ski tow actually because now you have a rear door.
Right.
So if they put that other ski tow on here, you wouldn't have as much space to actually get out the door. So now they've changed this a little bit for this model.
Well, that's nice. So they're not just bolting other stuff on there, making it work. They actually specifically
Exactly.
designed it just for this model.
That's right.
And there we go, folks. There you go on the back. Lots of room to walk by there. I'm no slouch. I'm a bit of a big fella. Well, at least everybody tells me I am, and I don't know if I believe them or not, but I think they're right. And I can walk through here, no problem. I'm coming through. I love the wide ladder. Sorry to me to hit you with the canvas. No, actually I did. And if you look, folks, sometimes you'll see the ladder's just as narrow, like the entrance, but you can see the width here. You can get your arms out there and grab on, pull yourself up. It even has a couple bars to step out past a little bit.
Yeah, it's nice. It is a wide step ladder.
Yeah, it's designed right. I mean, they're thinking things through. And this particular one this is a 115. I know you like to order these with the 115. Can you go bigger? Can you go smaller? Is that pretty much?
You can put a 90 on it as well.
Yeah.
Just the thing is, we always put 115s because we know they perform well.
That's right.
Obviously, if you're going to do a little bit more water skiing and things like that with heavier people like myself,
Yes.
then you may want to step up to a 150.
Okay, yeah, that
It's
makes
really
sense.
preference of what people are going to do with that.
That's right. I mean, that's just it. I know that, like, if you're towing and you're towing regularly, or you're towing with people on the boat. I know with tubers, you get a few people on the boat, pushes the logs down, and then it's a little tough on it sometimes trying to tow somebody. So you got the balance. I haven't seen one of these 150 on it yet, but I'll bet you it's a lot of fun. But the 115 is a nice match.
It is.
Nice match. Right on. Well, this is a great alternative to the other one if you're interested in changing your floor plan. And can you get this floor plan with the Kingston Special color scheme with black?
Yes, you can.
Isn't that fabulous? So this particular model, gray canvas, white highlights on the outside, but you can kind of make it your own. So that's great. Well, thanks for this. I appreciate you showing me the different floor plans.
Thank you.